Whoa! Get out of here! See how big that bumblebee was? I want to give it up to everyone that believed in me.
Tell me, pretty lady, now if you don't give, did you ever really think, did you ever really feel that this was something we'd both show?
Breathe!
Was it something
I can't
we could
breathe!
know?
Lay down! You're in big trouble, mister. Well, I just got back from Walmart and Kyle left me a little present that does not smell very fond right now. You're in trouble. Lay down. Oh my god, it smells so bad. So bad. I picked it up and threw it out already. It's just, oh my god. The after smell. Why? I walked in this morning too, and whatever. Back to what I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted by someone's bowels. Good morning. Just got back from Walmart. Got a bunch of stuff. Oh, this one's kind of torn up, but I caught the door shade for right here. $7. Not bad. Gonna install that in a little bit. What I mostly needed is this right here. Screwdriver set. Whoa! Get out of here! See how big that bumblebee was? Alright, hopefully you can see me, but just got new AC filters in, because I don't know how old these guys, the original ones are. Is a 98, so I don't want to take any chances. Hi. I remember when I went to first clean this, and how brittle they were. And like they were like just disintegrating in my hand. Oh, I'm a little afraid. Whoa. There we go. Yep, they were getting sucked up in there. Look at this. Gotta be careful with this. But look how brittle this shit is. Look. Zoom in. Yeah. Gross. And then just gonna grab some. Whoa. Because yeah, since now we're getting into spring and summertime, using the AC a lot more, so very glad to be doing this. I know my mom is probably really proud of me right now. I guess let me zoom in and show you the muck in here. Satisfying for satisfying people. Yeah, hopefully you can see that. Yep. I'm already starting to sneeze. Yep, here it comes. Woo! Morning, morning. Just getting more projects done. So, vent cover. Remember I told you this guy's leaking? So, got a new one on Amazon. Gonna assemble it now. Yeah. They changed up the design because now you can screw in. The old design, had like the rivets in it, and then now you can just screw it in. Where's the hardware? Oh, here it is. See? So I'm gonna get my screwdriver and try to do this. Hopefully I can. I think I can. I remember that I couldn't get it off last time because something with the rivets, or maybe I just didn't have the hardware. I don't know. We'll see. Let me show you the crack. It's very, very noticeable, and you can hear when I'm driving. You can hear it whistling, and obviously when it rains, it leaks in here all the time. So definitely want to get that done. But yeah, you can see the rivets in there. I thought I had to take that handle off, but I think it just pops out. Yeah. Should be good. Yeah, let's try this. Look how pretty it is up here. See all the mountains? Well, I'm here to fix this, so let's get to it. Alright, hopefully you can see what I'm doing, but I'm gonna unbend these guys, and then cut this, and then reuse that, and then it should just slide right on. So yeah, let's do that. Yep, definitely needle nose pliers were definitely recommended. Of course, this one's much harder. Might be able to just use a screwdriver to needle nose pliers my butt. Jesus, you're rusty. There we go. Bend this guy. Wind's starting to pick up. Try not to cut yourself. There we go. That's garbage. Alright. Up here needs a real good scrub. This is one place I haven't cleaned on the RV. What's wrong with me? But I'm trying to bend these tabs. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. The wind's starting to pick up, so hopefully you can hear me. I had this one. There we go. Just a little bit more. I didn't take my energy out like this morning. Come on. I hope I'm not making it worse. Try the other side. Come on. Come on, keep going. I'm getting somewhere. Come on. Don't stop on me now. Come on. You're doing good. Maybe I should have WD-40'd this. I want to give it up to everyone that believed in me, did it, even though I'm a little dirty. But finally got this thing on. I'm gonna lock it in now. But yeah, this is the old one. That was my problem right there. I cracked because water would fill up and then leak in, obviously, but finally got that in. But now this is a little wiggly. I think I see why. So I'm gonna snap those in and I'll be all done. Whew, next project. That's one leak done, fixed. So remember about a month ago when I got these nice shiny hubcaps I put on the motorhome? Well, downside of putting these on, I wasn't able to air up the tires. So I got these valve extenders. So in order to get them on, my fingers are too fat. So hubcap's gotta come off. Shocker. Try not to slice my fingers up this time. Alright, there's like 3 different kinds. There's this elbow one. There's this sharper elbow one. And then there's this guy. So I put these in the front, so. Too tight. And hubcap. Why is it wet? Oh, hubcaps are wet. Nice. There we go. Now I gotta do that. Technically 2 more times. I did the other side already for the driver's side, so. There we go. See you later. That's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I don't have much left. I just want to put blinds up here. See, oh, that's a new roof vent cover. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I needed. It's just the little things I needed to do. Yeah. Yeah. Want to say bye, Kyla? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Give me a kiss. Alright guys, I will see you guys next week. Thank you for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, work with me and watch. Bear with me while I get this beast ready and beef her up for Florida, which is coming up in less than 4 weeks, so that's going to be fun. But yeah, she's really coming along. Oh my goodness, he farted. Okay, I gotta go. Bye guys. Love you.